Excuse me, do you have this shirt in a size medium?
Let me just check in the back for you.
Thanks, appreciate it.
Lucky you, last one in medium.
Brilliant! Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting rooms are just over there on the left.
Cheers! I'll be 2 minutes.
No rush, take your time.
Fits perfectly.
Looks great on you, the color really suits you.
Thanks. Might grab another one in a different color.
We've got navy blue, charcoal grey and olive green.
I think I'll go with the navy.
Good choice. That one's very popular.
By the way, is there a sale on at the moment?
Yes, 20% off, if you buy 2 or more items.
Oh, nice, that helps.
Shall I pop these behind the till for you while you browse?
That'd be lovely, thanks.
Take your time, let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, do you have any slim fit trousers?
Yet men's section is just past the jackets on your right.
Got it, I'll have a look.
Shout if you need a different size.
Will do. I'm all set, I'll take these.
Brilliant. Shall I pop it all in one bag?
Yes, please. Save the planet and all that.
Totally agree. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
Not yet. Is it worth signing up?
Hello, could you help me find a dress, please? Of course. What kind of dress are you looking for? Something casual or more formal? I am looking for something for a friend's birthday party. So maybe a bit fancy, but not too fancy. I see. We have just got some new dresses in that might be perfect. Would you like to see them? Yes, that would be great. Here we are. This one is quite popular. It's simple, elegant and perfect for a party. Oh, I like the color of this one. Do you have it in a smaller size though? Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go. Brilliant. I will take it on. What do you think? It looks lovely on you. The fit is perfect. I think I will take it. Thank you so much for your help. You are very welcome. I will take this to the till for you.
ইংরেজি শেখা আমাদের প্রতিদিনের জীবনে খুবই প্রয়োজন। আর আপনি যদি সত্যি ইংরেজি শিখতে চান তাহলে আমাদের এই পেজটি ফলো করে রাখবেন। আমরা চেষ্টা করব খুব সহজভাবে আপনাদেরকে ইংরেজি শেখানোর জন্য। আর আপনার বন্ধুদের কাছে ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করে তাদেরকেও শেখার সুযোগ করে দিবেন এবং কমেন্ট বক্সে আপনার মূল্যবান মতামতটি আমাদেরকে জানাবেন। ধন্যবাদ।